Hello everyone, this is Robin Patterson from the Canada Pursuit team. I'm here today to show you how to work on a proposal using SharePoint. So you've had a kickoff call with your RFP project manager, and they tell you that the team needs to be working on the draft in SharePoint. The beauty of SharePoint is that we can all work in the document at the same time without fear of overriding each other's edits. It also eliminates the possibility of simultaneous multiple drafts. Just remember to be connected to the internet when you're going to work in SharePoint. It works using Internet Explorer. So let's get started. Once you receive an invitation from the project manager, which looks like this, you click on the link. It takes a moment but leads you right to the SharePoint site. SharePoint is designed to open in Internet Explorer. However, if you are using Chrome or Firefox, just copy and paste the link into the address bar. If you are using Internet Explorer, I suggest that you save the link to your favorites bar so that you can come back to it quickly. Now let's open the draft. Here's where it might seem a little bit counterintuitive, but once you learn to do this, it's easy. The first thing you do is click on the three dots next to the document. Now a box pops up and it looks like this. At the bottom of the box, you'll see three more dots. Click there. A longer, narrower box opens up, and at the top you'll see it says Open in Word. You always want to open in Word. So click on Open in Word. Now you get an orange box and it says the website wants to open a program. Click on Allow. It'll take a few moments at this point, but the draft will open, and you'll now notice that it is set to Track Changes, All Markup. Please leave it that way. This is how we can identify who made what edits. So now you can go through the document and start making all your edits. Once you're finished, click on the disk icon in the top left-hand corner in the menu bar. This will save your work. Now close Internet Explorer, and that's it. A few rules to keep in mind. Always work in the SharePoint document. Do not create another version and work offline. We all need to be working in the same document. Please don't delete the document. Please don't upload any other versions or your project manager will take them down. If you have any questions or any concerns, please reach out to your proposal project manager right away. And that's all there really is to it. I hope this has been helpful for you. If you have any questions, please contact the Canada Pursuit team at pursuitcanada@aon.ca. We're here to help you. Thanks very much.